This is when they're doing good. Hiya! Oh, what are you doing? Oh boy. Watch out! That was really good.
I'm aiming.
You're aiming?
I put, hey mommy, I got a stone. I got some fire flame, and I pushed it at from you.
We must be swift as...
Get away from you!
Yeah, do it! Okay. Alright. I think that's enough Kung Fu for this video. No more?